So I realized that many people don't think of HuggingFace as an interface for large language model access, and actually it is. So if you go to huggingface.co/chat, I will give a link in the description below. You can use this model, and it's really great. You can like use it for simple chat. You can see now the default model is pretty good. It was like the first model that beat GPT-4 in the open competition. You can use different tools like web search, URL fetcher, document parser, image generation, image editing, even a calculator. So let's try the calculator. 42 times 2. Answer is 84. It called the tool calculator. You can even like pull in some PDFs. For instance, now I uploaded a PDF like the latest quarterly report of Tesla. Give me the TLDR of the Tesla shareholder report, and it will give you the information as well. So you see, like, the HuggingChat is a completely free tool with using free and open source models, and you can upload documents. It's almost as good as ChatGPT, right, in terms of the overall functionality. The answers are like slightly worse, but it's like nothing really disruptive, right? So this is like a very simple tool that allows you 99% of the functionality, I would say maybe 90% of the functionalities of the high-end tools. So I usually use many examples like ChatGPT 4.0 and so that I use like paid models, but it's absolutely possible to use the open source models. And also, it's in a way it's also nicer to do it, right? You can use the search web functionality. You can switch it on and off because you can access more models, more open source models. Like, yeah, of course, then if you have too many messages, it asks you to sign in, but you can, of course, create an account. Now, this is even without creating an account. Say, okay, now I already ran into the upper limit. Maybe I should have signed up to an account. Yeah, but I think like this is more or less what I wanted to say. Where you can use the latest Meta Llama 3 70B instruct model, which is also great. You can use Google models. The Mistral 7B instruct model is also great. Like if you want to have something really fast, lightweight, then you could use Microsoft's V3 Mini. You can use assistants. This is also great functionality. Assistants give you access to these different pre-made GPTs, like for instance an image generator or certain colored chatbots. It's like almost like the OpenAI GPTs library. So you see, it has all the bells and whistles. You can, with the settings, you can also use you use your custom instructions, for instance, and have some application settings and so on. So this is really a great tool. I will give you a link in the description below if you want to access these free and open source models. If you want to use them in your code, or if you want to enrich your applications and really go to the next level of prompt engineering and become a skilled and sought after AI engineer, then check out the academy.finxter.com. You can check out our latest course by Dirk about HuggingFace as well. This gives you like everything you need to know about HuggingFace, how you can run open source LLMs locally on your computer or on your end device where you run your code, and create images, speech and music on your machine. So this is really great. This really gives you the next level skills. It's much more valuable than 9 out of 10 university courses you could pursue, because university is all about theory, but the Finxter Academy is all about practice, how you can create practical value in the real world, scale up your value proposition, scale up your impact in the world. Okay, and yeah, so check out the HuggingChat functionality. It's great. Many people don't know it yet. And also check out the Finxter Academy. I will give links to both in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you next video. Bye.